Hi guys, it is the Monday here in Porto. We leave tomorrow on Tuesday at like 9 PM, so it's our second to last proper day here. And we're up a bit late today, we've missed breakfast, so we're going to have to go out and find some food. Well, that was convenient timing, wasn't it? Now you probably can't hear me. We're going to have to go out and find some food and probably explore Porto a bit more. I want to get to JARDIM de Morro for sunset. That would be really nice to shoot that sunset because I didn't do that the other day. Possibly the bridge as well if sunset lasts long enough. I haven't even flayed my drone yet on this trip, so that's something I could possibly do. Look at this for a view, by the way. It's a perfect place to start a vlog or clip of a vlog. And you have a nice view of Santo Ildefonso there, which is closed again today. Just realised it's been open the past 2 days. Maybe it only opens on weekends. Anyway, yeah, time to go and explore more of Porto again. My first time on this side of the river in Porto. I'm on the 1835 now, so it's a bit cropped in, you can't see it that well. But the views of the other side are incredible. Been shooting some photos along here, went to a restaurant where Dan got some sandwiches, I got some fries. I was kind of considering doing the cable car to go back up top, but I don't think I will. Don't really know what the plan is now. Like I said, I want to get to JARDIM de Morro for sunset, but that's 2.5 hours away, so we've just got to fill that time with whatever. But it's very lively this side of town. A lot of bars and a lot of people hanging out and stuff, which we hadn't seen before. See the main city of Porto up behind me now, on the other side of the river. Slightly overexposed maybe, I don't know. And then going up behind me now is the cable car to get up to around the JARDIM de Morro, I believe, area, which is where we are going to head for sunset. We've just been shooting this side of the river. Like I said, we went and sat down for a while. Got some really nice shots of a bridge and stuff. Also, this lens is incredible, man. 16mm f1.4 Sigma. Crop sensor lens on the full frame camera, but it's still incredible picture quality, f1.4. Yeah, we're going to head up to JARDIM de Morro gradually, where we'll be for sunset. We're in JARDIM de Morro. Look at the view behind me over there. But then look at the amount of tourism up behind me. It's absolutely packed. Tourism is booming in Porto. Everyone's TikTok this place, so you know this is where everybody's going to come, but didn't expect it to be quite this busy. It's unfortunate, it kind of ruins the place, but if I ignore the people up there, you've got the nice view behind me of the entire city. Looks like a nice sunset. No pink sky yet, but the sun's gradually going down. It's a bit cloudy on the horizon, hopefully that clears a bit, but slightly underwhelming. On the bridge now, college shooting sunset, the photos look 10 times better just because of all the lights and stuff. And we're going to head back to the hotel now, that's why we're coming across the bridge, get some food on the way. Yeah, nice way to end off our last actual night in Porto. We're going to be here tomorrow, but our last night in Porto.
Ya saben bien, mira diablita el cara bebé y en faldita baila, baila, que los otros baila, baila, porque ella es mi bebé, no hay nada que hacer, un show privado, te quiero ver en faldita baila, baila, y en 2 horas caiga, caiga, todos son iguales pero yo no, te rompen el cora pero yo no, no te hacen reír pero hoy vengo yo, nadie te hace gemir como lo hago. Todos son iguales, pero yo no. Te rompen el cora, pero yo no. No te hacen reír, pero hoy vengo yo. Nadie te hace gemir como lo hago yo. Yeah. Si el amor no existe, cogemos y cambiamos la cosa. Vera nasty, pero bien hermosa. Ella quiere pau pau, dice que lo goza. Que le baje downtown, tremenda colosa. Con tu lighter y me corté. Toda esa noche te querías prender. Viendo la luna y de fondo cafuné. Tú tranquila que lo volvemos a hacer. Ya saben bien, mira diablita y cara bebé y en faldita baila, baila, que los otros baila, baila, porque ella es mi bebé, no hay nada que hacer, un show privado, te quiero ver en faldita.